Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just got this box in, so hopefully this is all the suspension parts we need to rebuild this bad boy. So let's open it up and dive in. Oh man, all right, sweet. So it looks like everything is individually packed, which is awesome. I was kind of worried that everything that was going to be here was just going to be like a thrown together and I was going to have to sort it out myself, but it looks like we've got power steering rack bushings, upper control arm, inner fronts, and then let's see, that one doesn't tell me if it's front or rear, so we'll put those there. This is our front pile. Let's see, doesn't tell me. I mean, it tells me what the part is, it just doesn't tell me if it's rear. So this is rear, and tow control, no direction. Let's see, trailing arm, I'm pretty sure trailing arm is going to be the rear. Front, and shock absorber bushing kit. I feel like that's the rear. Hey guys, this is supposed to be a master rebuild kit, front and rear. I'm sure there's something that it's probably not in the kit. I'm hoping this is about 95% of what I need to rebuild the entire suspension, minus the shocks and stuff. All right guys, well, it appears that the battery's dead, so I'm just going to push it onto the lift and I'll throw the charger on it while we're working on the rear suspension, and hopefully we'll get the battery charged up, and when we're done, maybe we can try to drive it. I don't know that it's going to happen today. If you guys can see the sky, it's looking pretty ominous. So let's just roll it on the lift and see how far we can get today. All right, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to hear this or see this on camera, but if I lift up on it, there's a good bit of play in the up and down, and then there's some knocking when you shift it side to side too. I think it may be in this joint right here. Right there. Can't really feel it, but either way, it's gonna get changed. Oh wow, here, let me show you that. That's yeah. So the bushings I need to change are here, which means they're inside of this, and the other bushings are inside of this. So I just need to unbolt this and let it dangle. I'll hook it up with a bungee or something, but yeah, I don't need to take this off. It would make it easier, but it's not a must. So there you go. So you can see I made some marks Also made the marks on here. That way, hopefully we can get this alignment close, at least good enough to get us down the road, and we'll take it in for a professional alignment once everything has been replaced. All right, so we have got trailing arms. That's what these are. Just says trailing arms. Let's see. Ooh, guys, look, these are resealable. That's awesome. That way, because see, I'm gonna do this one side, and then I'm not gonna probably do the other side today because the weather's looking kind of crappy. Let's see here. Where does that look like it would go? Interesting. Is it? I'm thinking that's these. I'm thinking real hard that that's these. Size-wise, it looks like it goes there. And it says trailing arm, and the only other trailing arm is this piece. And I don't think that's gonna fit in there. I guess it could, but I just don't think that's it. You know what? Let's look at the bolts. This is a great way to try to help find where things go. So this bolt fits almost perfectly in there. There's very little gap. This bolt does not. This bolt goes down here, which means this goes there, and this goes here. And since this pack is labeled trailing arm, that's got to be what it goes for right there. Process of elimination. All right, guys, it's raining pretty good now. I'm pretty well soaked. I've been working here on the press trying to get these bushings changed. These are the ones that I've gotten changed so far. I got the upper rear control arm inners, the shock mount. We don't have this bushing, and we don't have any of the bushings for this rear lower control arm. I do have bushings for this. I got to figure out how to get that pressed out because it's got like a ridge on it. Wife suggested maybe weld something to it so that I can get a bite on it. I don't know yet. It's raining pretty good, so we're gonna call it quits for the day. And yeah, so that's it for the day. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to do a part 2, so stay tuned. I'm ready to drive it just as much as you guys are probably ready to see it rip. So thanks again.